severe thunderstorm warning for north central Harnett County, northern Lee County, southwestern Wake County, central Chatham County, until 2:30 p.m. At 1:47 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Goldston, or 10 miles northwest of Semford, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Raleigh, Cary, Sanford, Pittsboro, Fuquay-Varina, Goldston, Apex, Holly Springs, Morrisville, and Lake Wheeler. Straight line winds can blow down trees, power lines, and damage mobile homes and other buildings. Seek shelter in a sturdy structure until the storm has passed. Stay away from windows as flying debris generated by damaging winds can be deadly. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2:30 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina: Chatham, Harnett, Lee, and Wake. This is NOAA weather.